Yes, I'm still at the hotel, not necessarily loving it. But you know what I do love? Hearts. I'm gonna teach you how to create 3 different hearts. Let's start with the easiest one. We'll start by choosing the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Size doesn't matter. Now press A on your keyboard to get the direct selection tool. Choose one of these circles and drag it all the way to the center. Press V on your keyboard to get the selection tool, the black arrow, and while holding shift, rotate it to the left. Ctrl C or Command C if you're on Mac. Then Ctrl Shift V to paste in place and rotate it back to the right. Choose that X shape, go to Pathfinder and press divide. Double click the shape and get rid of these 2. Press escape to go back, choose all the remaining parts and press unite to get a whole shape. That's our first heart. It's nice, it's fast, but it's not great. Next! The second heart is based on the first one, so let's copy and paste it. We want to make the bottom part a bit more curvy, so go ahead and select the anchor point tool. Grab this bottom point and while holding shift, drag it just a bit upwards. Now the left side doesn't look very good, so let's get rid of it. Press A on your keyboard again, select all of the left points and delete them. V on your keyboard to get the black arrow, choose the remaining right side, Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V, then right click, transform, reflect, vertical, OK. Now we can drag this part to the left, select both parts and unite. Done with the second one. It is great, not so difficult, but it's not amazing. Number 3. For the third and final one, we're going back to the rectangle tool. Draw a small rectangle and rotate it 45 degrees to the left. Press A on your keyboard, choose the top point and get rid of it. Swap the fill and the stroke, go to the stroke panel, change the cap to round cap and increase the weight. Look at that, we have the first heart again. And it was even easier. Oh, so amazing. Choose the anchor point tool, click the right point and together with shift, drag it down. Do the same on the left side but drag it up while holding shift. You can adjust the points left or right to make it narrow or wider. Almost done, let's make it real cutie. Press V on your keyboard to select the heart. Go to Object, Expand. Make sure Fill and Stroke are selected. Click OK. Now we have a fill shape. Grab the pen tool, click here, click there, drag it, make an ugly shape, change the color to be a bit darker, choose both, divide, double click and cut only this part. Now we can undo and delete the ugly part. Paste in place. We got a nice shadow. All we're missing is a bit of highlight. Grab the pen tool again. Make it a white stroke, no fill. Draw this curvy line. Let's zoom in. Add a point here. Add a point there. Zoom in. And add another point here and delete the last point. In the stroke panel, change the cap to round cap. You can change the stroke weight. Now this is an amazing heart. Thank you for sticking around till the end. Until the end. That's special. So I'm gonna give you something for free. You don't know that because you're new to this channel, but I have a website and I create free background music and free animations. Just go there, download anything you want. You don't have to pay me anything. You don't even have to subscribe. But you will subscribe.